Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. If this is your first time, please consider hitting that subscribe and like button. And if you're coming back, thank you so much. Your views really mean a lot to us. Hey, listen, today you're in for a real treat. I know I say that every time, and I mean it every time. This treat is glass noodles with prawn and soup sauce. Oh, stay tuned. It's going to be delicious. Vermicelli noodles can be found throughout Asia. This recipe is specifically from the Malaysia cook. As you can see here, most of the ingredients can be found in your local supermarket or your Asian supermarkets. Try to get the freshest ingredients for the best flavor. Take some room temperature water and place your glass noodles into it. You don't need hot water, you don't want to cook them, you just want to loosen them up from them being dried in their package. Now when frying an egg, you want to make sure you have a nice hot pan. It keeps the eggs from sticking to the bottom of the pan and allows them to cook quite rapidly. Stir your eggs up. Put some oil in your pan. Swish it around a little bit. Make sure you're covering all your surface. And then when it's hot enough, add your eggs. Don't go anywhere. This is going to be done super fast. As you see the edges start to cook, fold them in and turn them over. You want to get these to a nice doneness but not overdone, so keep your eye on it. Let's remove the eggs, add some water, and bring that water to a boil. This water is going to be used to create your soup base. Be sure to follow the instructions on your soup as to how much water you need to add. For this one, it's about 2 cups, but we're only going to be using 1 cup in this dish. You could save the rest of the soup for another dish. I personally prefer a seafood-based soup, but chicken broth would work just as well. Once the square has dissolved, remove the water. Now we're going to take some peanut oil, add it to our nice hot pan. It's about 2 tablespoons. Bring that up to temperature. Swish it around. Make sure to cover your surface. And now we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Keep an eye on this as the oil is quite hot and you don't want to burn your garlic. Here I've added some green onion to cook along with it. 1 for flavor and 2 for looks. If things get a little too hot, just lift up your pan. Get it off the heat. It'll stay hot, don't worry. Now add your shrimp, your ginger. If you have fresh ginger, it's better, but if not, powdered ginger will work just fine. And you're going to want to cook your shrimp to 90% done. You'll notice that they're pretty close to done as they start to curl up. Remember when stir frying, this is a hot pan, so you're going to want to keep things moving. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. And of course, fry, fry, fry. Now it's time to add that soup, about 1 cup. Oh, this is smelling so good, guys. You're going to love this. Truly amazing. Now the shrimp are imparting their flavor into your soup. The salt's going to help bring out that wonderful flavor. Add a little oyster sauce. About a teaspoon of soy sauce. A little bit of sugar. About 1 teaspoon. Oh, it looks great, doesn't it, guys? Now you're going to want to add some powder. If you don't have white powder, don't worry, you can use black. Here's where we're going to add our glass noodles. And these glass noodles are going to soak up all that fluid. So don't you worry. We're going to add our greens, our vegetables, and now we're going to stir it up. Stir, stir, stir. Fry, fry, fry. You see how all that liquid's just about gone? It's not gone. It's inside those noodles. When you taste these, oh my God, you are going to be simply amazed. Make sure to wait until the soup has pretty much gone into the noodles before adding the eggs. You don't want to have soggy eggs with your dish. And right about at the end, we're going to add a little more green onion to it. Some sesame oil. Just a little bit goes a really long way, guys. Don't waste it. Stir it up a little more. Now it's going to be hard to get everything incorporated with your noodles, so take your time. Stir around and through. Your red pepper should be nice and al dente. Oh, look at this. And when I tell you it looks good, just wait till you taste it. Amazing. Truly amazing and beautiful. Let's see what my wife thinks about this. She's the real judge. What do you think, baby? Does it taste good? Yeah. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please be sure to like and subscribe our channel. It costs you nothing, but really helps us a lot.